How to delete browsing history in Opera Mini on Android. It is a very easy process. All you need to do is first of all open your Opera Mini, and then from here you can see we are on the home page. Simply tap on the menu bar right here. Then after doing that, tap on history. After doing that, here you can see these are all of the browsing history. So if you want to manually select a particular history and delete it, you can do that. Simply long press on the history just like this, and all you need to do is tap on remove. Here you can see we have successfully done that. Or if you want to delete all of the browsing history on your Opera Mini, what you can do is simply tap on the dustbin icon that you can see right here, then tap on clear. After doing that, here you can see we have successfully cleared all of our browsing history on Opera Mini on your Android. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.